At this lesson, we will talk about how to create motion graphics. Add plane, scale it, Ctrl+A. R90, add bevel. Bevel vertices amount, 0.095, segment 30. Check geometry, clamp overlap. Add solidify. Add bevel, very small amount value. Check geometry clamp overlap. Fix amount value until will look good, then right-click Shade Auto Smooth. Click Data Properties, Shape Keys. Click Plus. Click one more plus. Make value 0. Go Edit Mode. Select Up Vertex, Scale Z-axis. Select Down Vertex, Scale Axis. When you back from Scaled Edit Mode to Object Mode, Object Scaled 0 value. When you will change value from 0 to 1, that point motion created. Let's add array modifier. We don't need relative offset, use object offset. Add 25 count, all 25 sticks in one place. For array modifier, mostly using empty. Click Object Offset, click Eyedropper tool, select Empty. Plane rotation is 90. When we apply rotation, it will follow Z-axis. Select plane axis, change location on Y-axis. That's array power. When you rotate plane axis, objects follow it. I want to add one more empty for help to rotate smoothly. Add circle, then select all. Ctrl+P, parent object. Main object, circle. When we rotate circle, all objects will rotate. First, make all objects rotation 0. Select Plane, Insert Location, Rotation Keyframes. As same, select circle, insert location to first keyframe in timeline. Select frame 60. Click plane axis. Change location, change rotation, 6 feet on y-axis. Then insert new location and rotation. Now select circle and change rotation 90. Insert again. Motion ready. Select all. Then move to frame 10th. I want that motion start with dot. Select dot, bring value to 0, insert. Choose frame, bring value to 1, insert again. Let's create motion for smoothie. I make when dot is going longer, we'll start rotate too. Add camera. Rotate 90x, locate. First frame, insert location, move 60th frame, insert new y-axis location. I think we need bring camera more closer to motion objects. That's it. Thank you for supporting channel. For more tutorial videos, please like and subscribe to channel.